So in our previous video, we saw that how we have created the basic React application, we have set up our CI/CD pipeline. So now it is the good time to go ahead and create the real application. So in this video, I will show you how to write the React form where we will write the prompt and submit the prompt to get the image, right? So first go to the app.js file, delete all the HTML that we have written here, and let's go to the index.css, delete all the CSS that is already there, and paste the CSS that you have in the GitHub that I have shown you, and you can paste all the CSS over here. Next, we will go to the app.js file. So here what we will do is we will first create the component. So this component we are going to export it as a default application, and we will write the render function. In the render function, I am going to create a div, and under the div we have an overlay which we will use for showing that it is a loading screen, and inside that I have a form. In the form I have one input and one submit button. So what we will do is once this form is submitted, we are going to write a new function called as handle submit. So in our next video, I will write the code for the handle submit method where we will invoke the API gateway, get the URL from the S3 bucket and render the image. So stay tuned.